Hi, today we will learn how we can install Grammarly in MS Word so that whenever we create a document in MS Word, we can get the help of Grammarly for correcting the spelling, and not only that, but also for creating and making the sentences correct, as we can see in the screen. So first of all, we need to go visit to google.com, and we have to write that Grammarly MS Word extension. So if we search that on the Google, and we will go to that page, and now click on that button, and now you will be able to download the extension Grammarly. And after now you can see the steps here. So first of all, when the extension is downloaded, just click on install, and it will be installed. And after that, you need to open your MS Word and log in into the Grammarly account. And if you don't have an account in Grammarly, what you can do is you can use your Gmail account to log into the Grammarly and complete the process. So now let me open the MS Word for you. So when the MS Word is open, you will see that there is a button which has been added in the top right corner of MS Word, and you have to click on it. And now you can see another option is here for login. So just click on the login button, and you can if you don't have an account, you can sign up for a new account, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in with Google. So click on the Google, click on that account. Now you will be signed in. As this is a new account, and I haven't opened any account previously with that Gmail, so it has requested me to accept the sign up option. So now it's time to open the Grammarly. So if we open it again, and we can see that Grammarly tab has been automatically selected, or whatever tab or ribbon you have select, doesn't matter on the menu. You can manually select it from Grammarly here. And if we write something wrong in English, like if we write that we should grow our business, let's say we have written it. So what you can see, Grammarly has marked it red, that this is the wrong word and the correct word is here. So we can set it here. Also for sentences like let's we need to talk about, we need to let's do something about it. Let's say I have written it. So what you will see that if there is something grammatical or any mistake, so that so they will automatically correct it and give the suggestion. So here we can find it. So this is the process how we can correct how we can install the Grammarly in MS Word.